All right, everybody, welcome to Choice A here for your approaches to psychology project. So this is the timeline. So you'll see you have like a timeline going up and down here. It says start and it goes all the way down. So what I'm asking you to do is think of three events or three moments in history that are related to psychology. So what you can do is type on these boxes. You'll see you can type right in those boxes where it says event. So you have 1, 2, and 3. And then what you can do is tell me about those different events. Tell me about the idea. Tell me about the thought. Now, it's important that these events are in historical order. So I know we didn't do a lot of years or things like that, but you should have a good understanding of how things progressed through history, right? From the start of it to the present day, some of the different schools of thought and some of the different ideas that have come about as well. Any questions, please let me know. Thank you.